Let's start with simple shapes. First, draw a circle for face. For lower body shape, draw a circle more like oval shape. Now draw head area first like ears and arm from lower body. Now draw nose and eyes. Now draw a bow, the most important part of kitty. Now draw legs and neck. Make outlines darker for final sketch. Do some shading where you can color it. Here it is, you did nice job. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like, share for more tutorial.